Hi. I decided today I am going to vlog. I haven't vlogged, I think, in a month. I was gonna say a few weeks, maybe a month. I haven't vlogged. Actually vlogged and posted it. I vlogged sometime last week. I just haven't edited the video. So I don't know if I'm gonna post that. I don't know if it's too late. But here we are. Today, what is today's date? Where's my, I don't even know where my cell phone is. Today is September 4th. It's Wednesday, my dudes. I want to vlog today because this weekend is actually my bachelorette party. So I wanted to get things together for that. The reason why I'm getting things together for that today instead of tomorrow is because I think I might be leaving tomorrow to head down to my parents' house. That way I don't have to drive all day Friday. Today I'm just gonna kind of clean up the apartment, dust, sweep, mop, do all of that, and then start kind of getting like my makeup and clothes ready for this weekend. Speaking of this weekend, I do need to get a bag together for the girls. So one of my bridesmaids, Amy, she actually bought me this little bride cup, which is super cute. So I'm gonna be packing that along with, didn't mean to move the camera, along with this. My mom actually bought this, and she got it from Ross. It says Team Bride on it, and all four of these were $9.99. So I need to remember to pack these. I had my workout this morning. I worked out for about 45 minutes. I've worked out almost, actually no, every single day this week. It's Wednesday. I've worked out, my stomach hurts. I did a core today. I worked out Monday, Tuesday, and today. I wanted to work out every day this week. I don't know where exactly we're going this weekend, but just in case I am, it's probably not gonna happen, but I am going to pack my gym clothes and shoes. Hopefully try to get a workout in. I know some of you guys are probably watching this like, really, but I'm gonna try, okay? But right now I'm texting a couple of the girls and my mama because we're just trying to figure out some things. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start cleaning. This is kind of gonna be a clean with me prepping for bachelorette party type of video. I still don't know what I'm going to call it. I feel so sticky. So I'm gonna start in the kitchen. I just have a bunch of dishes. I actually need to clean this side of the sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. And yeah, I hope this video isn't as boring as it seems. I always watch people's clean with me videos and I'm like, that, I want to do that. I love cleaning. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's so much fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Right now I am going to make myself breakfast. It's 10 o'clock. Lately what I've been doing is work out at about 7:30 or 8, depending on what time I end up wanting to get up. And then I will drink a bunch of water before, during, and after my workout. And then I won't start eating for the day until about 10. And then I will of course have my like 3 meals throughout the day, sometimes 2 depending on if I have a snack or not throughout the day. So right now it's 10 o'clock and I am going to make myself a quick breakfast. It's not like a typical breakfast. I feel like I'm just craving bell peppers, zucchini, and then I am going to cut up half because it does have a lot of sodium in these. So I'm gonna have half of one of the original filled roast smoked apple sage sausages. I'm gonna go ahead and start making my breakfast. Like I said, it is 10:11 right now, so it's a good time for me to start eating, and of course drink more water. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. I am going to sit down and eat like my very early lunch, I would say brunch. I was about to say very early lunch, very late breakfast. Listen, that's brunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. It looks super weird. This definitely looks like a lunch type of deal here, but you know, this is what I decided to have. It smells really, really good, and I have more greens in there than sausage, and the zucchini kind of fell to the bottom there. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this, watch some YouTube, and then I will be back on and continue on cleaning this mess. I am now done with my breakfast or lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it. It was really good, really filling. So I'm going to now sweep and mop in the living room, the dining area and kitchen, and dust and all of that stuff, and then I'm going to head on into the bathroom just because the bathroom does need to be cleaned up as well. Hi. And the girls. Mila. Hi, Stinky. They are so funny. Okay, let me get the broom. Bonnie, I'm gonna need you to get up soon, girlfriend, because I need to clean. And then I have the furniture polish out, and then let me go get a cloth and let me grab my phone so I can put some music on. I definitely need to dust up here. Again, this, switch this over, Spotify, my jams, and then just hit shuffle. I am sweating because it's pretty warm in my apartment. I'm waiting until it gets about 12:30 to turn the air on. Right now it's 11:15. So now we're in the spare bedroom. It's a mess in here too. I actually did Amy's hair, I think 2 days ago, to see like how she would want to do it for the wedding. So I kind of just left everything after she had left for my apartment. So I do need to straighten up in here, dust, vacuum. Yeah, I'm like so sweaty, it's hot. So just waiting for the floor to dry in the living room and everything, and then I'll go back out there and put the dogs out because they do need to go outside to go potty. And yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. You guys see that hair? That's Mila. Mila leaves hair everywhere. I either like to listen to music or watch vlogs or just YouTube in general when I clean. So I was finishing up watching Nazanin Kavari's vlog, What I Eat in a Week. I have been mildly obsessed with pregnancy vlogs. I don't know what it is. I really don't. I know I have baby fever. I've admitted it to Eli. So yeah, but that's what I've been watching mostly, is like pregnancy vlogs, wedding videos. I've been obsessed with Jamie Genevieve. She recently got married, and I think she's the cutest. I love her accent. I think it's so cool. So I've been really into her videos. I've been into, surprisingly, David Dobrik. I haven't really watched David Dobrik a lot before now. So yeah, I've been into David Dobrik, of course, Heath Hussar. Who else have I been watching? Raw Beauty Christie, JD Wadey 180. I just wish JD Wadey 180 would post more. But yeah, I'm obsessed with her. Of course, Auntie Jackie Ina, Alyssa Ashley, now that she's back, Katie, aka Lestralux, and more Jackie Ina. So I've just been really into a handful of people. And even though I have a lot of people in my subscriptions, I don't really watch a lot of them now. But I'm not going to like sit there and unsubscribe from everyone, just because I don't think that's cool. But yeah. So now I am most likely going to start cleaning in here, and then I'm gonna go through my makeup and start packing that for the bachelorette party. What I was thinking for my makeup, because I've been doing some bridal trials and wearing makeup off of camera, I do want to kind of pack the face that I am planning on wearing on the wedding day. So like primer, foundation, concealer, powders, all that stuff. Exactly the same how I plan on wearing it, just to see like if it'll last. I don't know what we're doing during the bachelorette party, but I'm sure, you know, if I had to guess, like we're going out somewhere for a long amount of time. So I think I'm going to do that. I think that's like a good plan, kind of smart of me if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my vanity desk here. So my old Poshmark account actually got reported because I don't know, reported me or whatever, but pretty much I got an email saying that I was selling fake makeup products, and yeah, so I pretty much made a new Poshmark account. I don't know if that one's deleted. I don't know if that one's still up. So my new one will be posted down below. It just sucks because my old one like still had products on there that I wanted to get rid of. So yeah, just know that any makeup product that I post, it's not fake. I purchased with my own money. I'm either getting rid of it because of a scandal. I know I had like the Laura Lee palettes on there. So I'm either getting rid of it because of that or because I just don't use it. And if it is used, it's very lightly used, but I haven't, you know, any makeup product that I sold on Poshmark, it was never used. I just never ended up using it. So yeah, the same thing with the clothes. A majority of the clothes that I do post on Poshmark, they will have the tags on it. I just haven't worn them, just don't have an outfit for it. And then if it doesn't have the tag, I most likely wore it once, or I didn't wear it and just ripped off the tag. So yeah, just know like you're getting real makeup whenever I sell makeup on Poshmark. I would never do that. I would never waste my money to buy fake makeup. You know what I mean? So like I was saying, before I start cleaning up the spare room, I'm going to go ahead and pull some pieces that I plan on posting on my Poshmark. I will leave my Poshmark right here, or I will leave it listed down below. That way you guys can shop my Poshmark account. Oh, I just got back from going to the store and getting water. It is so hot outside, like ridiculously hot. For what reason? I don't know. I am going to leave the air on for about another 40 minutes because it's so hot. But I'm putting water in the jug right now. That's what that noise is. And yeah, hopefully I could do this with one hand. I was like so thirsty when I went to Food Max. I was like, should I get something to drink even though I'm getting water? You know what I mean? Like I kind of wanted a smoothie or something, but this will be better for me. This will definitely be better for me. So I'm gonna fill up my water now because I'm just thirsty. So thirsty. Shout out to Vanessa. She got me this. I literally use it almost my thumb looks weird. Hold on. Oh, okay, this is better. I literally use that water tumbler thing every single day. And I usually put like a lemon slice in it, or cucumbers, mint, things like that, to give myself some flavored water, if you know what I mean. Right now I'm gonna have a little bit of snack. I have been into these pretzel chips. They are by the Snack Factory, and these are the everything ones. These are seriously so bomb. Like, if I really wanted to be greedy, I would eat the whole bag, but we won't do that today. So yeah, just got back. I posted some items on my Poshmark, so I'm excited about that. Let's let Mila out. She didn't eat. This is where we're at for the vanity. Cleaned up a little bit there. You can see me in the background. Still didn't do my hair, just brushed it out, put it back in a bun. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start going through my makeup, pack what I'm gonna pack makeup wise. I don't plan on wearing makeup until Friday. So yeah, I've been taking really good care of my skin, but because I'm supposed to start my period on Friday, unfortunately, I am starting to break out, so yay me. Sit. Paw. Good girl. Okay, there's literally been no progress made. If anything, the room's gotten more messy. So I am actually currently in some Spanx in my bra, but I'm packing outfits right now for this weekend. I think this is going to be for Friday night, just jeans and a cute bodysuit from Fashion Nova. This is actually too big for me, but hopefully I make it work. This is the Take Me Out bodysuit, and then I have my underwear, and then my dress that I'll be wearing on Saturday night is in here, and then I need an outfit for Sunday, but on Sunday, like, that's supposed to be like our travel day, so obviously I want to be comfortable. So yeah, I have the shoes that I'll be wearing. So these ones here are for, what are these for? Come to me. These are for no, Friday. These are for Saturday, and then I kind of want to do those for Saturday, or these for Saturday. I wore these to the Ariana Grande concert, and they were pretty comfortable. They're not like super duper tall. Like I said, I'm in my Spanx right now, so don't mind that. But yeah, they're really, really comfortable. They're from H&M. And then I think, I don't know. Oh my gosh. I really, really don't know. Like I said, it's gotten worse in this room. So, yeah, I'm here. No cleaning progress has been made. I don't know. Still trying to get my life situated while this little baby is just laying here. Huh, Bonnie? Bonnie? Bonnie?